Do you want to speak English more fluently? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many learners feel shy, slow, or afraid when speaking. But I have good news for you. Today I will help you. I will give you 10 easy tips to speak English more fluently. These tips are simple, practical, and fun. Let's start. Tip number 1. Speak slowly, not fast. Many people think speaking fast means fluent, but this is not true. If you speak too fast, you make more mistakes. If you speak slowly, you have time to think. You sound clear and confident. Start slow and build up speed naturally. Tip number 2. Use simple sentences. Fluency is not using big words. Fluency is speaking clearly and easily. Don't worry about advanced vocabulary. Say what you mean in a simple way. For example, instead of I am absolutely exhausted, just say I am very tired. Simple is better. Tip number 3. Practice with your voice. Talk to yourself every day. Yes, really talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and say something about your day. For example, today I went to the market, I bought apples. This builds confidence. It's okay if you make mistakes, just speak out loud. Tip number 4. Think in English. Don't translate from your language, this takes too much time. Instead, train your brain to think in English. Start small. If you see a book, think book. If you see a dog, think dog. Practice this every day. Your brain will get faster. Tip number 5. Learn phrases, not just words. Don't learn words alone. Learn how they are used. For example, instead of just learning hungry, learn the phrase I am hungry. Instead of listen, learn listen to music. Phrases help you speak naturally. Tip number 6. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. It's okay. Mistakes mean you are learning. If you forget a word, describe it. If you say something wrong, try again. The more you speak, the better you get. Be proud of your progress. Tip number 7. Use your hands. Use body language when you talk. Gestures help you express yourself. If you forget a word, show it with your hands. This makes communication easier. And it helps your brain remember the word better. Tip number 8. Watch and repeat. Watch English videos. Choose simple ones. Listen carefully and repeat what you hear. For example, if someone says, "How are you today?" pause and say, "How are you today?" This trains your mouth and memory. Do this daily. Tip number 9. Use what you know. Use the words you already know. Don't wait to learn everything. Use simple vocabulary to express ideas. If you know 100 words, use them well. Fluency comes from using what you have, not from knowing every word in the dictionary. Tip number 10. Be consistent. Practice every single day. Even 5 minutes helps. Set a small goal like, today I will talk for 2 minutes. Today I will write 1 sentence. Tiny steps lead to big changes. Fluency is built with time and effort. These are 10 easy tips to help you speak English more fluently. Try them every day. You will feel more confident and sound more natural. Now I have a question for you. Which tip did you like the most? Tell me in the comments. And tell me what you do to improve your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English tips. See you next time. Bye-bye.